everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this overview of the new collection from Fab Scraps called Days Gone By. This is the second overview that we have today. Now everything that you see in this overview is in the Fab Box collection that's available for you to purchase directly. Please follow the links and go to my blog to fill in the form to be able to get yours. It's a gorgeous collection, there's so much versatility with it. Again, there's 16 12x12 papers, 8 designs, 2 of each. There's the extra bonus 8x8 papers and the extra embellishments. There's the stickers, the stencils, the album, the beerboard. You name it, you get it in the collection. Whether it's this collection or the Love Story collection. So please sit back, relax, don't forget to order yours. Sit back, relax, and let's have a look what's in each collection. So this is the Days Gone By collection, C117 from Fab Scraps. And this is what is going to be included in your Fab Box. So let's take a look. The first thing we've got is our smallest sticker sheet, and this is the alphabet. All on a transparent background, so easy peel off. Next, we have more transparent background stickers. We've got the tags, thinking of you, best wishes, good luck. We've got some borders and some button embellishments. Next, we've got the beerboard sentiments. Now I'm just going to use one of the papers to show it. Oh, that looks so much better. So you get the beerboard frame, you get the sentiments, you get the actual labels, the roses. They've got snippability. You just cut them out of the frame, ink them, add heat embossing powder to them, and they're just so versatile. Next, now this is the album for this collection. This is the most beautiful shade, and I should have taken it out of the bag before. Sorry. You get the rings to make the album, you get the extra oval. This is the album front, so the holes for the album are at the side. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages to decorate. So in actual fact you get 10 because they're double-sided, and that's the album front. So you could use it, the album front, with one of the pages and make it into a photo front. Again, cool for a wedding, for a birthday, for a retirement. So many special occasions. That is such a beautifully shaped album. Next, we have the stencils. Now I'm going to show you the 2 stencils from the designs on the back of them so you can see them. So we've got the roses and the leaves, and we've got the gorgeous dragonflies. So those are the 2, and you can see they're a fair old size. That's my hand, and they're bigger than that. I never mentioned that in the Love Story one, and I should have done. They're just, you know, a good size. Next, we've got the actual extra 8x8 papers and the actual embellishment tags, all double-sided. So on the front, we've got gorgeous designs, thinking of you, sending love, dragonflies, roses, and it's just so pretty. The little birds, you are the best, works for so many different occasions. Love always, hugs and kisses, best wishes, you are loved. Again, double-sided, so they're going to tone in with everything in the collection. These are the extra papers. There's 3 designs, all beautiful, all double-sided. See if I can show you that a little bit better. There we go. All double-sided. I just love that aqua colour with the grey. How gorgeous. It's just going to make that jump out. Wow. So don't forget, this is everything in your fab box, so you can get hold of this. So these are the 12 by 12 papers. So there's 8 designs, 2 of each. Double-sided, the gorgeous fab quality that you would expect. So our first sheet is all roses and that gorgeous self-tone aqua pattern on the back. Next, those gorgeous roses and the birds. I don't know if you can see this. The detail on this is just amazing. And the back of it, we've got a plainer, I would call it an inscript, to tone in. Next, we've got the roses and the dragonflies around the edge. 2 sheets. And on reverse, we've got the self-stripe. I call it a self-stripe because it's self-coloured within the kit, within the collection. Next, we've got roses and dragonflies with more of a border at the edge. Again, self-patterned on the back to tone in. Those dragonflies are just so cute. The detail on this is just amazing, it really is. So this is the first of our sentiment sheets with our borders. Just show you these little birds. How cute are they? So vintage, but the colour tones are gorgeous. That's the back side of the paper, the reverse. Next, we've got lots of tags and pockets. These pockets are so cute with the birds on, cut out, easy fold, there's the score lines on them, with the borders, 2 sheets, and that's the reverse. Next, more sentiments and border strips, gorgeous colour tones. And that's the back of the paper. More little birds. And then lastly, we've got the alphabet. The empty tags with a few words in them. Do excuse me. With a few words in them. Mischievous, thoughtful, kind, humorous, cheerful, caring. The alphabet and the reverse is a gorgeous dark green pattern. And the colours in this, very muted dark colours, but so pretty. With all those white roses, ivory roses, and the touch of blue in them. So this is everything that you would get in your Days Gone By collection. And the album, it's just so beautiful. Everything is in your fab box, door to door. Let's not forget that. And it includes shipping. How cool. I hope you've enjoyed the overviews today. I hope the announcements today from Fab Scraps that I've brought you has made you think, yes, it's possible for me now to get my hands on any of the current Fab Scraps collections. And I hope the overviews help. I do like hearing from you. I think I mentioned that in the intro. But it is nice to know that you enjoy looking at what's available. Whether you purchase it or not, it's always nice to see what's available. And it'll give you ideas. Next week we're going to create something on Wednesday with the Love Story collection from Fab Scraps. And then the Wednesday after we're going to be using the Days Gone By collection. Both of these collections are available to purchase now, so you don't have to wait. So if you're wanting to get your order in, please go ahead. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask. Let me know what you think. I do like hearing from you. So check my blog, and I'd just like to say thank you for watching today and sticking with me for the announcement and the overviews. It is appreciated. And I shall see you next time.